Okay, authors, would-be authors, soon to be published authors, and even all long ago published authors. Have you created an up-to-date publicity kit for you to place on your website? And of course, you should have a website. If not, it might be something you need to work on. Inside, you just want to, you can leave it in a Word document. Most newspapers, everybody has access to Word or a free version of it. And inside, you want to create a long bio, a medium bio, and a short bio. Yes, it's like doing a book synopsis. You have to have a long, medium, and a short. The short generally is under 150 words, and the medium maybe 300, and then the longer one maybe 500 words, because each outlet and each person or group will require something different. Inside, you also want to make sure that you have all up-to-date links to your website, your social media, and your email contact information for your writing, not your personal one, for your writing. And then finally, you want to have 3 different sizes of a recent photograph of you, preferably professionally taken. And you would want a high resolution one, a medium, and then a small. So you have all 3 of those inside your press kit. That way, you just need to update it every year or every other year whenever you take new pictures. And yes, you really should have new pictures done as often as you can. They don't necessarily have to be, Sears and Roebuck or professional photographs, but they should be taken on a clear day in outdoor light, not in bright sunlight, for those who can't afford to start out. So just to let you know, get your press kit together and update it every time you publish a new book. Oh yes, absolutely. You want to have a link to the titles of your books that you've published, and maybe a brief synopsis of each one. That way, no matter which one that you're getting publicity for, they can choose the current one and pick one of the others to add into it. So it's a Word document that you have on your website. It's called Press Kit and your name, so that they can just download it and use it for any promotions. You want to try to make it as easy as possible for people to promote you. Just my thought for today.